The handle broke on my screen door, so I'm going to be putting a new one on. This handle, I think, will work out pretty good. I had one on there when I first moved in. I put one on, but I guess with the weather and stuff, you know, the wood kind of rotted on there. So anyhow, got a new working on a new handle here. But yeah, it was a nice day today. Really nice. Kind of work on the yard a little bit. Probably get a garden going this summer. So the main thing this summer is I want to get that Jeep going. I know the rivers and the lakes are going to be nice and full this year because we got plenty of snow up there. The ice cap is nice and thick, and we got plenty of rain this winter. So looking forward to it. So stay tuned. I'll be posting some videos on some of those trips. Subscribe to the channel if you like. Share it, and got some good content coming towards you. Okay. I think maybe I've made it too big, so I have to trim it down a little bit more. You know, probably trim it down. Probably about a half an inch. Trim it down. Okay, so I think we're ready. We got the edges trimmed out, so we just need to take this out. There it is. That worked out pretty good, huh? All right, hang loose.